Well, here are the LED switchback turn signals from Lasfit. They come in a really nice packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and show the install. They have two different displays. They have one that shows white, so it switches between amber and white. And they also have one that just runs amber all the time. I went with the switchback LED turn signal, so it will be amber when I turn on my turn signal and just a nice crisp white DRL. And that's gonna match my headlights and also my fog lights very well. So there's no additional modifications required. So it's a direct plug and play. All you have to do is take out the stock bulbs, replace it with these, and then you're good to go. The bulb itself for the turn signal, you kind of have to reach your hand down in here to access the driver's side. The passenger side, very straightforward. All you're gonna do is you're gonna push down on these tabs so that you can get access to the passenger side one. So pulling that out literally took about 5 to 10 seconds. Very straightforward, very easy to do. And then you also have access to the passenger side right here. This is the stock turn signal bulb from Toyota. All you had to do was reach your hand in and you turn this counterclockwise, just about half an inch, and then you pull it straight out. All right, we do have the stock bulb here versus the Lasfit LED switchback turn signal. This thing feels and looks fantastic. It has way more weight to it. So install could not be any easier. All you do is you just directly plug this back in. Before you actually put it back into the headlight housing, make sure that you test the light to ensure that it works properly. So if you notice that the light does not come on when you test it, just take out the Lasfit bulb, flip it 180 degrees, and plug it back in. All you have to do is just reinstall this by putting it back into its housing and turning clockwise. One recommendation I do have is just give the harness a little bit of a pull to ensure that it's properly inside of the headlight.